The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
What's going on, YouTube? Alright, today's video is going to be about the universal remotes for the Android head units. Come from eBay, China, whatever. Steering controls, multi-function. So, I had problems with my first one. Well, I didn't have problems with my first one, but I thought I did. So, contacted them, was going to send it back. They was like, as long as I don't give them no bad review, they'll send me another one. So it took about 4 days, another one came. So there's nothing wrong with the one that I already had. So I'm gonna give a giveaway. And I hit 3,000 subscribers, I guess. Y'all gotta let me know if y'all got a Android. Well, y'all ain't even have to have an Android radio. As long as your radio is compatible with steering wheel controls, SWC, and you got a key 1, key 2 output on your radio. Okay, so I was looking for videos to try to explain how to hook it up. I knew on this radio had key 1 and key 2 on the back of the outputs. So I'm not going to show y'all how to wire it, but I will tell you this, because I was looking for videos that explain it a little more. If you hook up key 1 to key 1 wire, the key 1, matter of fact, I can't even show y'all. I think, nope, this in the house. But it's a little module with, let me see, power, ground, a gray wire, key 1, key 2, 5 wires. Power and ground, y'all know goes to power and ground. The gray wire, I ain't hooked that to nothing. Key 1, key 2, your radio has that on the back of it. If key 1 doesn't hook up and work, then take that wire off and put key 2 and try it then. Nobody told me that. That little module that comes with it, it has a little red light. I know, like I said, I was looking for videos to get clarification. You plug it up or give it power, it blinks. I didn't know if it's supposed to stay on or not. Anyway, if it doesn't work, open it up, change your batteries. Change the batteries out the remotes. Or the units itself. Because that was one of my problems with one of these. So, there goes some very helpful hints that no video I watched showed or said. So you might have it hooked up right and the battery's dead in the remotes itself. So try that before you even unhook anything. But I finally end up figuring it out. So I'm gonna clear this anyway. We're gonna start all over. Another thing, I don't like it right here. Because I drive just like this. So I might end up hitting, well, I have hit mute, turned it up, all type of crap. So I'm about to try it up here. Because I have a wheel cover anyway. So I'm moving mine because I drive right here. I drive here too, but majority here. So this is how it works. We come out of here. Okay. Go to settings. Car infotainment. Go there. SWC. Boom, now you there. GPS, you hit that. I don't know if I want to use that or not, so I'm gonna hit the minus first. You just tap that. As soon as you tap that, come over here to the minus. Boom, solid. So you get the drift on that. So that's how you do that. As soon as you hit that, just come over here, hold it for about 5 seconds, and you good. So I just want to let y'all know that, man. So giveaway coming at 3,000. as long as you leave a comment in the bottom and let me know what kind of radio you got. I'm not doing a history on your radio, so you got to find out if yours got it. If you want to enter, put your name under this video and make sure you can add key controls. All right.